Good morning, third grade. Today is Wednesday, April 29th. Your assignment for today is lesson 155. So you're going to notice your assignments are not going to be going in order anymore because we are going to the assignments that Ms. Biggs just feels like are the most important. However, if we skip an assignment, it doesn't mean if you would like to have that extra practice or your parents would like you to have that extra practice, you can still complete that at home with your family just as some practice for you. But today,
and they can watch a video on it.
Well, not third grade. There's no Abeka video for third grade. But if Miss Biggs skips something, then she's pretty confident that you've already had the lesson and it would be just more of a review for you. So we are going to be doing lesson 155. So Monday, you multiplied 2 by 2s. Today, you're going to multiply 3-digit factors by 2-digit factors. So we're going to have 3 numbers top. So one of your factors is going to have 3 numbers. And the Zoom for this will be Friday at 12:30. Do not forget, you also have a test today that's due tomorrow. So your assignment is not due till Friday, but your test, we're going to give you a day, but we're going to let you turn it in the next day. So remember, you have a test due tomorrow, test 29 for third grade. You need to make sure that you download the test. You may print it, or you can just write the answers on a piece of paper and submit it to us. Okay, Mrs. Big, I'm going to share the screen.
Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all doing well. And we're going to start multiplying by 3-digit factors by 2. Like Ms. Simone says, we did 2 by 2 the other lesson. Now we're going to do 3 by 2. And it's the same way. It's just easy. You guys know your multiplication facts, so this is not going to be hard for you. It's just a matter of lining it up in the right place. Okay? All right, so multiplying, we're going to multiply 130 by 56.
Miss
Yes,
Biggs,
ma'am.
we can't see you.
Yes.
I can tell.
You can't see me?
No, and I can see that your video, oh, there you are. Now we can see you. Maybe something was covering it. Okay. All right, ladies, now we can see you. Go ahead.
Okay, so this is due, today's April 29th, and this is due May 1st. That's my daughter's birthday, May 1st. Okay, that's Friday, May 1st. At the Zoom meeting, we're going to check it. All right, first name and last name on the name line, and then we're going to start. 130 times 56. Okay, always and forever, we're going to start in the ones column. So 6 times 0 is 0. Then you're going to multiply 6 times 3 is 18. Put down your 8 and carry your 1. And then 6 times 1 is 6, plus the 1 is 7. So 6 times 130 is 780. Now we're done with the ones. We're finished. So we're going to put our 0 there and put an X. Now we're going in the tens column, so we have to put the answer in the tens column. 5 times 0 is 0. Okay, 5 times 3 is 15. Put down your 5 and carry your 1 right next to it. All right, and then 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So you got to get your 1 out of there.
Oh, sorry. When we do it at the bottom, we'll actually carry that down, but they already have the 6 written.
Yeah. Okay, now those are the partial products. So we're going to put a plus and we're going to equal sign or equal line and we're going to add them. 0 and 0 is 0 in the ones column. Tens column, 8 and 0 is 0.
8 and 0 is 8.
Oh yeah, I'm multiplying. Sorry. 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 and 5 is 12. Put down your 2, carry your 1. And then 6 and 1 is 7, and your answer is 7,280. Okay, not hard, okay? All right, that 7,280 is your final product. All right, let's try 1. 6 times 3 is 18. In the ones column, put your 8 down, carry your 1. 6 times 2 is 12, and 1 is 13. Put down your 3, carry your 1. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So you multiplied 123 by 6. Now, no more ones. This is fun. Now we're in the tens column. Okay, we're going to multiply the 10 column by 123. 5 times 3 is 15. Put down your 5 and carry your 1. All right, 5 times 2 is 10 and 1 is 11. 1 and carry your 1. And then 5 times 1 is 5, plus your 1 is 6. Now you're going to draw your equal line and you're going to add those partial products together. 8 and nothing is 8. 5 and 3 is 8. 7 and 1 is 8. And 6 and nothing is 6. And then ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 6,888.
I think
Okay.
it's important to understand, since this is third grade and you're just learning, Mrs. Biggs, once after you've done the ones, when you carry, she likes to carry down in this part, because I don't think that they're used to that yet, right?
No, they're not. They're used to carrying on top. But if you do it on top,
You have too many things up
it's
there.
going to get confusing if you do it on top.
So she tends to suggest that you carry down here, like you just put the mark in the next place, because it doesn't confuse you with the ones place marks. So that is her recommendation. So that's what we're doing. When we're carrying, I'm actually putting the carry down here and then just covering it over with the total number.
Right.
So we'll do
Or
this.
you can cross it out, you know.
Yeah, we'll do this one a little slower when we get to the tens to show you that carrying process on this bottom part.
Okay, the next one, we're going to do D. All right, start in the ones column, always and forever, start in the ones column. 2 times 9 is 18, put down your 8, carry your 1. 4 times 2 is 8, and 1 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6, and there's no carry. No more ones, you're finished with your ones. So you're going to put your 0 to hold its place, and an X. We're done with the ones. Now 7. 7 is in the tens place. 7 times 9 is 63. Put down your 3, carry your 6.
See how
7 times
6
4
right
is
here.
7 times 4 is 28. And 6 is 34. Carry your 3. 7 times 3 is 21, and 3 is 24. Okay, now you're going to add those partial products together. You know what, Mrs. Cervantes, they can just cross those out on the bottom.
Okay.
If they want to. I don't know, do you have any suggestions for them?
I actually always carry on the top. I just tell them to cross out on the top. So after they add it, I tell them cross it out. So you can carry again.
Okay, well, you know what? You guys can do whatever what's comfortable for you.
So
I'm just trying to help you.
Yeah, I'll do this one the way I do it, but let's finish this one the way you do it.
Okay, so 8 and nothing is 8. 9 and 3 is 12. Put your 2 down, carry your 1. 6 and 4 is 10, and 1 is 11. Put down your 1, carry your 1. Okay, 4 and 1 is 5. And 2 and nothing is 2. You have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. You have 25,128. Okay, Ms. Cervantes.
Okay, I'll walk you guys through this one. My son Saxton does it this way, like Miss Biggs does. I tend to still always carry on top. That's just my instinct, and I cannot get away from it. But you can do whatever's easiest for you. In this one, just like Miss Biggs said, we always start in the ones. 4 times 5, 20. Carry the 2. 4 times 4, 16. Plus 2 is 18. Once you add that, you cross that out, carry that 1. 4 times 8 is 32, 33. Then cross out that 1. So you know the ones that are crossed out you've already used, because multiplication can get extremely messy. So now we've got that. So we've got the first part done. Then we're done with the ones. Like Mrs. Biggs said, we put a placeholder. Then we have 8 times 5 is 40. We put the 0, carry the 4. 8 times 4 is 32. Plus 4, cross it out, is 36. Carry your 3. 8 times 8 is 64. Plus 3 is 67. So those are your partial products. Make sure I've got everything correct.
Oh, and by the way, in the partial products, there's no commas, no decimal points, no dollar signs, nothing.
Because they can get you confused. Those markings can get you confused. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 6 is 9. 3, 7 is 10. Carry your 1. 1 and 6 is 7. Then we go ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Put your comma. 70,980.
All right, good job. Okay, so we're going to let them do.
You carry wherever you're the most comfortable.
Right, as long as you carry.
Yes, but you have to carry.
All right, and you're going to, yeah, you're going to do D and E by yourself. And then I'm going to do the story problems with you, just to show you what to do. Solve these story problems. Find the cost of 27 feet of wood if each yard costs $4.63. All right, they giving you feet, you have to change, no, they're giving you yards. You have to change it to, oh no, giving you feet, you have to change it to yards. All right, so, and then you have to multiply. So you're gonna do a bunch of stuff there. Okay, your information is just, what, 27 feet at $4.63 a yard. All right, and then you're gonna circle your answer. Your answer is going to be in dollars and cents, guys. Don't forget, 2 places for cents, always. Okay, the 7th grade boys at Colonial Christian School removed 1/3 of 558 chairs in the auditorium. How many chairs did they remove from the auditorium? Okay, we're talking chairs now. How many chairs did they remove from the auditorium? You're going to underline that. Remove would probably be your key word there. How many did they remove from the auditorium? The 7th grade boys at Colonial Christian School removed 1/3 of 558 chairs in the auditorium. That's your information. You're going to circle your answer and you're going to say chairs removed or removed, whatever your answer is. Okay, we're going to reduce, the next one we're going to reduce to lowest terms. We have to, when we reduce, we divide. Okay, we have to find a number, the biggest number that will divide into 3 and into 6 evenly. If you can't think of one, always try the numerator. In this case, let's see if it works. 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. So your answer is 1/2, and that's in the lowest terms. Okay, I'm not going to do the rest, you're going to do them. All right, number 4. Find the answer. 1/4 of 27. That means you're going to divide 27 by 4. All right, and the answer is what? 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Draw your line and subtract. 7 to take away 4 is 3. So 6 and 3/4 is your answer. 6 and 3/4. Okay, you're going to do the B and C on your own. Okay, we're going to start with review and we're going to read these. And if you're watching the video, I'm giving you the answers to this. Write yes if the numerator is greater than the denominator. Write no if the numerator is less than the denominator. All right, is the numerator greater than the denominator in A? Yes. The numerator is 5, the denominator is 4, so that's yes. B, is 3 bigger than 5? No. So no is your answer. Is 4 bigger than 3? Yes. And is 11 bigger than 10? Yes. Now, if you're watching the video, you have all those answers. If you don't, and there's no answers in that, you did not watch the video. Okay, Mr. Montes, I think that's it. Let's look at the back. Self-explanatory on the back. Let's just jump down to number 11 for a minute. Oh, look at 10. 2 quarters is how much? 50 cents. How much is $7? How many cents is that? They want cents. So that would be 700 cents. Okay? All right. And you're going to do the other 2. All right, let's look down at 11. You're going to fill in the blanks with less than, greater than, or equals. You have to do each side so you can tell. Let's look at F, the last one, F. 20 divided by 10 is 10.
20 divided by 10 is 2.
2, I'm sorry, 2.
That's why we have each other.
And you have 2 on the other side, so 2 equals 2, guys. And then look at the E. 21 divided by 3 is 7, and you have 7 in the beginning. So what is the answer? Equals. 7 equals 7. Okay. And you're going to do the rest. Okay, let's jump down to averaging. You're going to add those you're going to add those and get a sum. And then you're going to divide by 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the B, you're going to add that, get a sum, divide by 2. C, you're going to add them all up, get a sum, and divide by 5. All right.
Or no, that is 5 plus 8. Sorry. That's why we have each other.
All right. And then that's the lesson. Okay, we're going to put a little word in here, and the word is going to be truth. Okay, so if you watch this whole video to the end, you're going to put a little word in there, and it's called truth.
And I'm going to put it right by the page number at the bottom.
Okay.
Write truth in capital letters. And what are they going to get for that, Miss Biggs?
We might give them some points.
Some bonus points?
Some bonus points.
So how many points are they going to get if they do that?
What do you think? Maybe 5?
Okay. If you write the word truth next to number 252, you do have to submit your paper though so Mrs. Biggs can see it. So it can't be just a Zoom check. You would have to send it in to get those 5 extra points. So if you, or actually at the end of the Zoom meeting, maybe we can ask each kid, they can show their paper maybe with the word. If you watch the video and you put truth by the page number on the back, you will get plus 5 points on your paper just for following instructions. All right.
Okay.
All right, guys.
We'll see you on Wednesday. No,
yes, Friday. We'll see you Friday for the Zoom check at 12:30. Remember, when you are carrying with your multiplication, you carry where you feel you can remember to add it in the easiest. Whether you carry in this line, which can get a little messy because you're trying to cover it up as you go or cross it out. That's why my numbers look a little weird. Or you can carry it up here, but you have to make sure that you don't add the wrong number, that you don't do your 1s carrying with your 10s carrying. So you just carry where you feel the safest, that you're not going to get confused. Okay. All right, guys. We will see you Friday for this check.
All right. Bye-bye.